This story is from the time when Toy Story was very trendy. Everyone in school had some toy. I was just standing in the corner watching others play. One day, a friend of mine said to me, "Hey loser, you don't have a single Toy Story toy." I said, "I do have one." He asked, "Where is it?" I replied, "At home." He said, "Well, bring it tomorrow, or we will all beat you up." I got scared and lied that I would bring a toy tomorrow. But I didn't have any toy at all. After school, I was really scared that if I didn't bring a toy, they would beat me up. On my way home, I saw a cheap shop. I didn't think I would find anything there, but I had no other option. I went inside and started looking around. After a while, the shopkeeper started staring at me and asked, "Do you need something, kid?" I nervously shook my head and walked to the back. There, I found a Woody doll in a box. I had little money, so I stole it.